We're at Burger Place waiting for our order. What?
Mint chocolate shake cake.
I know,
Chocolate
that looks
chocolate,
good.
Strawberry chocolate.
No, I got the bacon double cheeseburger.
Then you got the grape vanilla and chocolate.
Hot and honey chicken. It smells fabulous in here. See, they have plant-based. Walmart's right there. See. It looks like it's gonna rain. So that is skip the dishes, Uber Eats, and DoorDash. Oh, my hand's hurting. 100% Canadian beef. Okay. Cheese. Cheese, please. I'm actually thinking we're 14, 17. No. I'm thinking of this instead. I'm thinking of that for a change. Although I love my quesadillas. But now, did you want to get the slices here? Oh, you already did. You're way ahead of me. Okay. Holy mackerel. We should have been here for 8:30. People are insane. Okay. Ooh, a clear aisle. Isn't this lovely? What are we looking for? You said patties. They're on the other side, right? Their Beyond was yuck. The keg. I don't know if they're gonna have them anymore. That might have just been a one-off. Is it the red or the blue? These plates. What's that?
That is the 1/3 patty.
Angus. Big. No. No. Maybe when it comes closer to summer, if summer ever gets here.
I think it would be now, though.
Wow. Kit Kat. Sorbet.
Okay. What else?
What else did we have? Well, over in the other section. Oh, excuse me. Holy mackerel. Toilet paper is at the end here. But your peanut butter, I think, is up one of these aisles. Keto. Oh yeah, we don't have any more of that. Crave. They don't show that commercial anymore. You have keto. Like keto everything. Only place? Although where else? We seen you can get that at Metro now. The lineup is insane. Whoa, they changed all this around. What the heck? I'm totally lost. Oh, my water's on the other side. Oh, good. Toilet paper's right up here. My knee's doing pretty good right now. Tiramisu. Oh. No, not tiramisu. You got it? Yep. I'm going to get that pasta. This is the one I always... No. That's not the one I always get. Go with purple. Is this the one? Product of Italy. $13. I think that's the one I used to get.
Yeah.
This one here. Yeah. Yeah. Then I can use the Alfredo on that. Okay. Eggs. Okay. Wow. My eggs. These are small. Yes. This is better. 30 eggs. Holy shnikes. Where is he? Madonna. Yeah, put him down. Just the meat, the bread, and I'm gonna get some cheese over here.
No, it's like this every weekend.
Yeah.
And our taxi guy is waiting for us. He gave us rosaries on Thursday. You're gonna have to go around, I guess, no? Maybe. Everybody get the feet out of the way. Okay. Sushi. Classic Buddha. Holy shit, that's too much. Oh no, I'm only picking up too much, that's why. Where'd he go? Whoops. I was almost going to put that in the wrong spot. Chicken, chicken. I wish they had that smaller. $13.14, $13.68, $13.99, $13.82, $13.32. I love this stuff. I'm here. I'm here. Okay. That would be something different. We will make space. For tomorrow? Okay.
You gotta get today off the carrot.
Okay. Oh, pies. No, thank you. It's this one you usually get with the 3.
Should we get 2?
Will they be okay in the fridge? Yeah, chicken. Chicken. There, we got everything on our list plus a few extra. Chicken. Did you want bananas? Yeah? Is that yeah or no? I can't tell. I can't tell. Duck wall. Wood River pears. Hit potatoes.
Oh, it's getting mine.
Okay. Potatoes galore. I usually plan for this, but where the hell is the end of the line? That's all I want to know.
The line was back there.
You didn't hear it. Should be one line. My understanding, somebody said it's back there. Holy shit.
Yeah.
And you know why? Because it's Easter. We should have friggin' well come here at 8:30. This is stupid. We've never had it like this before. Tabernacle. They better have every cashier going, man. And we have no choice.
Two, right?
Yeah. Just keep going. There, right here. Right here. It's because of Easter.
My goodness. I guess you're right. Yeah.
Here, I'll get on the other side of you.
You guys have that one? Yeah.
Everybody's looking for the lineup. Just have to make sure nobody butts in. Okay, so is this the, yeah. Okay, I guess she wasn't in the line. This is the line, right? I think.
I'm not in the line.
No.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa. Let the bitch be in there. They should have somebody from Costco here saying where the line is.
Trying to find the end of the line.
Way back there. Okay, we're moving pretty good. Hold it. You gotta go all the way back there. Back by produce or whatever you call it.
I mean, it's moving pretty fast.
Yeah, it is moving fast, but they should still have someone from Costco. But they should have somebody here
Yeah, directly.
saying, okay, this is where you go, that's where you go. But of course. I know. I move pretty fast. Look at the size of that rabbit. That's huge.
I thought you were overnight too.
Close, close, close.
Okay.
And then do the
Ladies. Hubby goes too fast, he's gonna end up whacking this woman.
Hey, somebody can run in.
Well, I don't want you running into somebody either. I'm here, don't worry. What are you doing in there, Missy? Yeah, you. Huh? Look at the sucky little girl with her daddy. Yeah. Little Waverly with her daddy. Oh, yeah. Waverly. Baby girl.
Baby girl. See, mommy?
Baby girl.
You looking at mommy?
Wavy.
She don't look at you. She's not looking at paparazzis.
Oh,
Just her daddy.
just her daddy.
Yes, I did, baby girl.
What a bum.